Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. Today I'm going to talk about the same thing that I have been talking about in my previous three videos, and that is, would you want to live in a Martian city and leave the comforts of planet Earth? Of course, if it's a pretty peaceful and prosperous city on Mars, of course, people would consider living on Mars and consider leaving the comforts of planet Earth for a life on Mars, because there's the element of living on a new planet. There's that element, of course. But again, natural resources found on Mars, huge reserves of natural gas, if they are found on Mars, that would create you know a huge competition between various countries on planet Earth to get to Mars and to make sure that they get a bigger piece of those natural, sweet natural resources uh, before the other countries can get to there. So yeah, would competition for natural resources on Mars lead to violence on Mars? And would violence on Mars basically would mean that, it would not be very sensible to leave the comforts of planet Earth for a life on Mars. There's that. And again, I already said that, if corporations are the one, if private corporations are the people, are the ones who establish cities on Mars and govern those cities, I think I would rather stay back on Earth and be and live in a place which is governed by a democratically elected government, instead of living in a city which is run by a private corporation. I think I'm pretty sure about that, I guess. So I do not know what is going to happen, but imagine everything works out. Imagine everything in this world, if everything works out, you know, or would it work out? First of all, the timeline that is being given by SpaceX, that by 2024, or by by within 10 years, basically, there would be a permanent settlement on Mars that would be established by SpaceX. Is that even possible? I mean, is that too optimistic a timeline that Elon Musk is giving us? I do not know. But yeah, they have mastered the technology of reusable rockets, from what I have seen, from the videos that I have seen. So maybe it is possible. Maybe if SpaceX gets to Mars and establishes a permanent city on Mars, then that city would be governed by the U.S. Administration. Maybe that is possible. But what if after 20 or 30 years, many people start going to living in that Martian colony? We terraform Mars maybe within the next 60 or 70 years, and after 100 years, those people who are living on Mars, they decide to establish a new country, a new country. They say, we don't want anything to do with planet Earth. Here, we Martians will declare independence and will form our own democratically elected country, or basically form our own democratic country, or maybe some other kind of country, I guess. Basically, what if Martian people decide to establish or decide to project their own sovereignty in the form of a nation of their own? What do you think people on planet Earth would react? Or how do you think people on planet Earth would react to a new country being declared on Mars, or a new country being established on Mars? The situation would be kind of similar to the way the Brits established colonies on North America, and then those colonies decided to rebel, and then they became the United States of America. So what if something similar happens? Countries of people of Earth go to Mars for a better life, and then somehow decide to become a different country on Mars? What if that happens? Would you want to live in a Martian country? Uh, I do not know. Again, this is just me thinking about me, just imagining stuff. I'm not. Again, I'm not. I cannot predict what is going to happen. Let's hope everything works out for the better. Let's hope that let's hope things work out for the better. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. And yeah, I think I would live on Mars if everything is all right, and if a Martian colony or a Martian city is governed by a democratically elected country or democratically elected government. Why am I saying democratically elected country? A country that has a government that is elected democratically. Yeah, a democratic nation is in charge of governing a city on Mars. If that is the case, I would love to live over there, I guess. And if the quality of living or the standard of living over there is pretty good, if there are economic opportunities over there, then of course I might go there, I guess. God knows what is going to happen. This is it from me for now until I don't know whether I'm going to talk about this topic anymore in the future. We will see what happens. So please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.